is the black version of the dress, and it comes with a random necklace. This is the random necklace that it came with. It's a circle one. And this material, this is actually a very light package. Very light package. It's very thin. The material is actually quite thin as well. It's very lightweight. It's not lacy, but you know how lace is really thin? This is what it reminds me of. And this is also in the large size, and in the packaging, it comes looking like this. So this would actually, if it's not too hot where you live, this could be a good springtime dress as well, I guess. But since it looks kind of formal, it would probably be more for like a night out, sort of. More an evening dress, because it's black. If you got it in a different color, it might be okay. And yeah, but I don't think this would be a very good winter dress if you were going somewhere where or you live in somewhere where it's really super cold, because this material is quite thin. So yeah, give this one a try as well.